Sikwethulela zona bunqopho kusuka emzimkhulu wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Chitela sikuphakele zona ngobunjalo bazo. Nanzi ezijujileko zanamhlanje.
This new fleet will play a critical role in responding to organized crime incidents such as cash in transit heist, hijackings, armed robberies, including many other serious and violent crime.
Amapolisa anikelwe inkolo ezili-12 kunye nabofly ababili ukuthi ziwasize kulweni nobulelesi obuhleliweko. Insiza lezi ngezevikeleko eliphezulu.
We can be able to say safely we are ready to resume in terms of security arrangement with the ad hoc committee.
Iyathoma ukusebenza ikomiti yesikhatshana eParliament mayelana nezwangobatsho yokucaphela kwenilelesi nepolitiki ekusebenzeni kwamapolisa kunye nezomthetho. uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uyokuvula ikundla ngobufakazi bakhe buyokuthoma ngelesibili.
This court finds that the discrimination caused by the impugned provisions is unfair and unconstitutional.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo welizwe namhlanje iphasise umthetho ukuthi abobaba banelungelo lokwabelana amalanga welifu nabomma nabayokubeletha. Umthetho waphambili bathi bewubandlulula abobaba. Siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Umjaphethe kaNgqongqoshe wamapolisa uFiroz Khachalia uthi ukholwa bona ikomishini kaMadlanga izokusiza ukuhlela ngefanelo amapolisa welizweli nokuthi asebenze khudlwana. Nakakhuluma eminyanyeni wokunikela ngensiza zamapolisa esikolweni sokuthwasisa amapolisa eTjingalanga ePitori, uKhachalia uthi amapolisa ahlangabezana neentjhijilo eziningi kanti ngapha umphakathi uthwenyekile ngobulelesi obuhagele kangaka elizweneli. uKhachalia bekakhamba noGeneral Fani Masemula nezinye inkhulu zamapolisa.
Thank you very much, Professor.
Ukulwa nobulelesi kuhlangabezana neentjhijilo elizweneli ngokuya ngelwazi elivele ekomitjhinini kaMadlanga. Kodwana njengomani elizweni liraga nomraro wezivikeleko, inkhulu zamapolisa zizwakalisa ukuba nethemba emsebenzini wekomitjhini le nokuthi izokusiza ngokuhlela ngobutsha iziko lamapolisa.
It's going to create an opportunity for a reset of policing in the country. And so I'm looking forward to the findings of the Commission and its recommendations.
uKhachalia uthaka ukukhuluma nesikhulu samapolisa ubuhloli uLieutenant General Dumsani Khumalo ogcina ukuvela ekomitjhinini kaMadlanga ngomvulo ngenxa yokugula. uKhachalia wadlulisa namezwi okuchiriya emndenini wakwamthethwa. Umthethwa ke waphathwa kukomishini kaMadlanga ngokucaphela emsebenzini wamapolisa ngukomishinara wamapolisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
I'm devastated, actually, very sad, and I'll take this opportunity to express my deepest sympathies to his family.
Kunikele ngenkolo ezili-12 zevikeleko neemphaphamtjhini ezimbili ukusiza amapolisa amaphiko akhethekileko bona enze umsebenzi wokuhle.
This new fleet will play a critical role in responding to organized crime incidents such as cash in transit heist, hijackings, armed robberies, including many other serious and violent crime.
Ikampani ekhiqizako ithi insizizi zitsho litho likhulu ekusizeni ivikeleko lamapolisa nekusizeni ukulwa nobulelesi.
Our crime fighting foot soldiers need to be equipped, but they need to be safe themselves. They need to have sophisticated technology. I mean, which vehicle had a drone in the past? Kwala did not. Inyala did not. This is a marshal, as you say. A field marshal goes into the field and fight crime.
Inkhulu ziveze nokuthi insizizi sizokusiza amapolisa ngokuraga nokusebenzela umphakathi nokuvikela izakhamuzi.
Zokuphepha sezijame ngokwekhabula khona ukuqinisekisa labo abazibandakanya ekomishini yesikhatshana emalungana nezokuphepha komphakathi ngeveke zabo. Ikomiti le isungulelwe ukuzokuqala izwangobatsho yokucaphela kwenilelesi ekambisweni yezobulungiswa ekuyizwangobatsho evezwe ngukomishara wamapolisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Le ikambiso eParliament yokuvumbulula iqiniso malungana nendaba ezwangobatsho kuba sengozini kezokuphepha kwelizweli eyangokuqina oyena fakazi omkhulu endabeni le uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi uyokuvela phambi kwekomiti kokthoma ngeveke ezako ngelesibili nangelesithathu. Ufakazi buzabe budosa phambili libandla eliphezulu elikhethwe iParliament.
In relation to the Mkhwanazi statement, General Mkhwanazi has had a near final draft with him since yesterday lunchtime, but there's been further interactions with him, including early this morning. So I think it has now been finalized.
Ukulalelwa kwendaba izwa ngobatsho le ikomiti le kuyokwenzeka bunqopha ngaphakathi eParliament. Lokho ngachukuluka kwaphela nakhibe kunengozi ebikweko. Zevikeleko ziqinisiwe eParliament. Kanti khona neminye imithetho ekambiso yalapha esazoqiniswa.
We can be able to say safely we are ready to resume in terms of security arrangement with the ad hoc committee.
Emhlanganweni wayo waphambilini ikomiti le ithethe isiqundo sokubiza abofakazi abama-34 ekubalwa kibo noNgqongqoshe walokho wamapolisa uBheki Cele noSenzo Mchunu.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo ithole ukuthi asinabufakazi obaneleyo kwisibawo se-MK Party nomengameli walokho uJacob Zuma sokujijila ukungabi semthethweni kwesiqundo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa esimalungana nokunikelwa kwakaNgqongqoshe wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu ilifu ekhethekileko.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo ithi bengakahlogeki ukuthi kufake isibawo kiyo. Lokhu kujengobani iMK Party nomengameli walokho uJacob Zuma bafaka isibawo ekhotho leso sokujijila isiqundo esithethwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokunikela uNgqongqoshe wamapolisa ilifu ekhethekileko ajanyiselelwe ngoProfessor Firoz Kachelia nokusungulwa kwekomishini kaMadlanga.
The broad approach taken by the applicants to the issue of exclusive jurisdiction without sufficient averments in the pleadings to make out a case is legally untenable.
Ikhotho igandelele nokuthi qhakathekile ukuhlukanisa phakathi kokusebenzisa amandla womthetho nokubhalelwa kulandela umthetho.
The applicant's complaint is the manner in which the president has dealt with the revelations made by Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. Thus, none of the impugned decision constitute a failure by the president to fulfill his constitutional obligations.
Isahlulelo esithulwe ikhotho engekulu kunazo zonke esiveze nokuqhakatheka kwamandla wekhotho yezomthethosisekelo endabeni ezibudisi.
The fact that appellate or confirmation proceedings might follow a high court's judgment cannot undermine what the Constitution says about the proper allocation of jurisdiction.
Kodwana nanyana njalo ikhotho ivumile ukuthi indaba le iveza imraro khona yezomthetho. Yeke kuzokusetshenziswa umthetho iBiowatch principle ekuthi ukuthi iMK Party noZuma abazukubhadela indleko eziphezulu zekhotho kodwana bazokubhadela zabo kwaphela indleko.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo iphasise umthetho ukuthi ababelethi bobabili kungaqalwa ubulili babo umbala sebavumelekile ukuthatha ilifu abazoyihlukanisa phakathi kwabo ezinyanga ezine namalanga ali10.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo iqinisekise ukuthi ikambiso yomthethosisekelo ayisebenzi ngefanelo naziza endabeni zokuthathwa kwamalifu wokubelethwa kwabantwana phakathi kwababelethi ngaphasi komthetho ojeje ubujamo abasebenzi abasebenza ngaphasi kwabo i-Employment Conditions of Employment Act. Ikhotho ifumene ukuthi umehluko ekunikelweni kwamalifu phakathi kwabomma nabobaba akulingani begodu kuyabandlulula. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana ingcenye yomthetho ekuthiwa awulingani lo ujijilwe ngempumelelo ekhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg.
This court finds that the discrimination caused by the impugned provisions is unfair and unconstitutional. The protection of birth mothers to the exclusion of other parents has the unfortunate consequence of perpetrating the assumption that women are and should be the primary caregivers of children. The father is marginalized and deprived of the opportunity to involve himself as a parent in the upbringing of the baby during the early stages of life. Parents are also deprived of the choice to structure their child.
Ikhotho ephakemeko ifumana ukuthi umehluko phakathi kwabomma nabobaba naziza emalungelweni abanikela wona akulingani begodu kuyabandlulula khulukhulu naziza endabeni yesikhathi selifu enikelwa ababelethi nabayokubeletha abantwana. Umthetho lo uphasiswe ekhotho yezomthethosisekelo namhlanje kanti isahlulelo sekhotho samkelwe emajaji wonke.
Asiqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba ephelayo le nako uyalandela.
Umbono omuhle kakhulu ngakwelamhlangothi lo ngiyakuthokozela lapho umthethosisekelo.
Kodwa inkinga lapho izoba khona abantu besilisa eSouth Africa abanakekelwe njengabantu besifazane.
Ababantu kalo bamenze bobabini umntana mabehlulelane nangokuhlala ekhaya bobabini ngezinyanga.
Khathi noma kuyihlamba kona kodwa kusokorehe kakhulu ngoba phela sizwazi ukumcala kuhle ukuthi ngempela ungewami yini lo mntwana noma nje sekuyijazi nje.
Ngesikhethu thina kulisiko lethu ubaba akamboni umntwana oseselisana.
Songubaba uhlezi ekhaya uthi basho ku-maternity leave. Leyo na amadoda sabumbereko lawo.
Kuba into elengakade yenzeka.
Umthetho loyo urehe khulu kodwana uyokuberegela abantu abachadileko.
Isintu asikuvumeli ukuthi ubaba wengane asondelane nengane esathambile esencane mangabe isanda kuzalwa.
Njengoba utata ezawunaye ezafuna lamalanga uzawuhlala enzini apho yena. Ndona umsebenzi azawenza ukuyosebenza wayenzima labuyena imali.
Singabo baba siyakujabulela lokho kakhulu.
Nyanzeliswe ke nabaqeshi into bana basinike nathi eske sichamle lo mthetho.
Umbono ngembukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasibuya entolo.
We are investing in green energy as in wind, solar and battery storage, which is green energy. And we are investing a minimum of around 25 billion rand.
Abasomabhizinisi abahlanganyele econference eMiddelburg bathembise ukusisa ngemali engange 242 billion esifundeni seMpumalanga ukuthi kuthuthukiswe isifunda lesi bekuphele nomhlaba. Sisaragane ndaba lapha mbukeli nazikuphundile kwindaba ezi uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage naso. Abasomabhizinisi bathembise ukusisa imali engange 242 billion yamaranda econferenceini ekuhloswe ngayo ukudosa abasisi abazokusisa imali ebalelwa ku 50 billion yamaranda ekorweni yezemayini zokulima zevakatshobukela kunye nokusetshenziswa kwamandla avuselelwako. Undunankulu weMpumalanga uMandla Dlovu uzibophelele ekulandeleleni zonke imvumelwano zokusisa ukuzokusiza nokuqeda inqaba ezikhona begodu aqinisekise ukuthi ubujamo bunzinzile naziza eksiseni.
Abosomabhizinisi babuthene ndawonye bazibophelela ukuthi bazokusisa esifundeni seMpumalanga. Isifundesi sinothile ngezenjiwa begodu kunamathuba wokusiswa kwemali amaningi. Ikampani iSiriti Resources izibophelele ngokusisa amabhiliyoni wamaranda ukusekela ihlelweli.
We are investing in green energy as in wind, solar and battery storage, which is green energy. And we are investing a minimum of around 25 billion rand.
Abanye bafuna imbono emitsha yokusiswa kwemali ukusiza amabhizinisi athuthukako.
Ikakhulukazi abantu bakithi bahlushwa ukuthi izimayini mazizile lapha yana zize emphakathini wabo ikakhulukazi endaweni zamakhosi baba nenkinga noma ne-challenge ukuthi ba-communicate kanjani nabo.
I-conference yamalanga amabili le idlule isilinganiso ebeyibekelwe sona ekuthomeni semali engange-50 billion yamaranda ukuthuthukisa umnotho wesifundesi. Ukusiswa kwemali okuqakatheke khulu ngekwamahlelo ajeja amandla avuselelwako nemayini. Uhulumende uthembise ukuphungula imigomo ekhandela ukuthuthuka kwamabhizinisi.
I am also happy that this gathering afforded us an opportunity to deal with all challenges which are facing emerging miners. It is my wish that they should grow and join big mining companies and start to plow back.
Ukusiswa kwemali lokhu kuhloswe ngakho ukufukula umnotho wesifunda nga 3% kwehlise nesibalo sabantu abangasebenziko nomtlhago.
Kezemali randa linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Indaba zesiZulu zikhona nge-hour lekhomba. Nibe nepela veki ephephileko. Umusa.